Monkey on the small mountain of Swaymbhunath, northwest of the Kathmandu Valley, find peacefulness and places to pray. Visitors who found the name difficult to pronounce nicknamed it Monkey Temple. Welcome to MT Nepal. Today we'll cover the history of Swaymbhunath, also known as Monkey Temple. Literally translated, self-existent one, is Swayambhu. Built by King Manadev, it is thought to have been constructed in 460 AD. By the 13th century, it had grown to become a significant Buddhist center. Swayambhu Hill provides visitors with a panoramic view of the valley and the city. For millennia, the stupa has symbolized faith and unity, and this Buddhist complex includes Hindu temples and deities. The glory of Kathmandu Valley is considered to have begun at this place. A large number of Buddhists and Hindus alike visit Swayambhu throughout the day. The largest crowds of people are seen here on Buddha's birthday, which usually falls in May each year. This shrine is perhaps the best place to observe religious harmony in Nepal. The Dua Dharma Monastery, noted for a bronze icon of Buddha and traditional Tibetan paintings, the temple dedicated to Harati, the goddess of all children. It is said that she was an ogress before Lord Buddha converted her to be the caretaker of all children. That's it for now. I will cover more sightseeing in another videos, so stay tuned. MT Nepal. Thanks for your support.